G'day guys, hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to draw a stumbleguys special called Bolt. And hey, thanks to Eli, aka Hawk, for your suggestion. Starting with Bolt's head, bring it up around like this. This character that I'm drawing, you could also apply it to rain and also smoke. Don't forget one eye there. Second eye. Now he's got his shoulder. Start his shoulder about here and then just bring it out and around to his arm. With his little thumb there and then bring it back up. And then back down. Lots of curves there. There's one arm. Now this is his neck. Starting here and coming out for his shoulder. His other arm is down in here, tucked in behind. Like so. Let's put his leg on, front looking leg. Come up, then across. And then this is his knee, then into his boot. And there's his leg. Now let's draw his lightning bolt. It's green. Like a letter S, and it gets thicker as it comes out, almost touches his armpit, comes back up, back around like so. Okay, I'm going to draw the lightning bolts. You don't have to outline these, you could do them later on with the colours, but I'm just going to put some lightning bolts on just to show you how you can draw them with the black. And there's one coming out here, and then I'm going to zigzag that back onto there. So you could use a lot of angles and zigzags with the lightning bolts. And he's actually glowing as well. I'm going to use some green around him and then leave it white. All the zigzags. There you go, that's him glowing around there. Now he's got some more zigzags. Notice how I'm using a thinner pen. I'm using a 0.3 here. Zigzag that out. He's got another zigzag line coming out there. And then on his pants, a couple of little zigzags. It almost reminds me a bit of glass, broken glass as well. Zigzag. Some zigzags coming off the back of his foot and up the side here, a couple of longer ones, off his hands, bit of a glow in there. He's got a bit of a bolt coming off here.